monster is hungry. Ah! Get back up again.
I'm gonna fly down and get them! Hi, boys and girls. It looks like Romeo and Luna Girl have invented a new transformation machine. Let's see how it works.
Okay, Romeo. It looks like our work here is complete. I can't wait to try it out. Ooh, this is so magical. It spins and transforms you into a giant monster. Are you ready for this? I think I am. Let's test it out. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Spin! Whoa! I'm a giant Romeo monster! It worked, Romeo! You're a huge monster! You're right, Luna Girl, I am. Now, which town should I attack today? How about the Smurf Village? Nah. I know! The Troll Village! Fine. See you later, Luna Girl. I'm off to the Troll Village to attack!
Hey, I'm not giving up today. There's nothing getting in my way. And if you knock me over, I will get back up again.
Aha! I see a little puppy troll. This Romeo monster is actually getting hungry. I'm going to sneak up on her. Just wait.
If something goes a little wrong, we can go ahead and bring it on. Cause if you knock me over, I will
get back up again.
I see your true colors shining through. I see your true colors. That's why I love you.
Hey, look. It's a little branch troll. I'm gonna eat him. Oh, he's singing about his true love. Wah, wah, wah. I'm gonna get him.
Your true colors are beautiful. Nothing I can see but you when you dance, dance, dance. Come on.
Look at those two little trolls. I see a DJ Suki and a Guy Diamond having a dance party. Ooh, sounds like fun.
What is that?
Now, off to find more trolls.
What a great invention. I guess I should try it next.
Let's see here.
Hold it right there, Luna Girl.
Yeah, stop it. What? How was I even doing anything?
What is that?
Oh, this is nothing. It's just a transformation machine.
What's going on?
Yeah, what's going on?
Well, Romeo's attacking the Troll Village. He's a giant Romeo monster. What? Oh, maybe I shouldn't have told you that. Come on, PJ Masks, to the Troll Village! Whoosh. Thanks, Luna Girl. No, wait, come back! Whoosh. Oh, no. Trolls!
Trolls, where are you?
Hold it right there, Romeo! PJ Masks are here! Ha ha! PJ Masks, we're the PJ Masks. PJ Masks, we're the PJ Masks. 'Cause bedtime is the right time to fight crime. I can't think of a rhyme!
You guys better stop singing and pay attention, 'cause I'm about to eat you. Ah! Ah!
Maybe. Help! 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 I'm gonna fly down and get them! What? Owlette, be careful in there! Whoa, 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 whoa!
What? Oh, gross. That's disgusting. Oh. Oh, come on, trolls. Let's get out of here.
All right, trolls, run! He could eat you again! Oh, we're going! Thank you for saving us, Owlette! Bye!
Owlette, how dare you! Well, whatever. I'm gonna eat you guys instead.
Quick, run! Hey, I know what to do. Ouch, ouch, ouch! I got the fidget spinner machine! Transform! 1, 2, 3, spin! Hey, stop that! Stop that! Ah! What's happening? Whoa!
Oh, I'm small again.
Oh, what am I supposed to do now? Now you can behave yourself! Or what? Or this!
Ew, gross! Get me out of here! Oh!
Nice work, PJ Masks! Woohoo! We saved the day! Hey, let's go have a dance party with the trolls! Oh yeah! Oh yeah! And if you knock us over, we will get back up again! Let us know if you'd like to see more PJ Masks or Trolls videos in the comments! And if you liked this video and would like to see more like it, please subscribe or hit the like button below. Thank you so much, everyone!